Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the fixed splitter model. So in this model you will just drop your sediment into the system, and it will end in 6 different vials from 1/2 to 1/32 fraction. Here you can see the inside, how it will divide the sediment. So you just need to drop the sediment into the funnel and it will be divided in the system. And so here you can see that it was divided. Here you have 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and 2 fractions of 1/32. So you can just choose the one you want to work with. You can cut.